Good morning, everyone. So I make this short video to guide you through some very basic Git and GitHub here. So first we need to know what is Git. Git is a free open source distributed version control system used for managing code on small, medium, and large projects. So it is a version control system, right? So think about you have a project and you have many versions, and later on when you work with the group, right? You work with your partner, and each of you have the one version, and later on you can have the discussion, and you can decide that if you want to merge them together or if you want to keep it into separate branches together, right? So that to make it simple is the thing about the Git is just the one that who control the version system for code. It can be in small, medium, and large project here. And GitHub is a web-based hosting service for Git. That means you have a code and you upload it into the GitHub. And to make it simple, you can think about the GitHub is the same with the Google Drive or sorry, or Dropbox, where you want to store them into cloud and you can access it to them anytime, anywhere you want, right? But actually, GitHub is more sophisticated, and later on, when you work with the teamwork and work with your partner, you see they have support many ways in working with the teamwork here. The third definition is a repository. You can think about it simple as a folder where you put your file, you put everything in the file in your project into the folder here. And the branch that you work on different version, right? So we can think you have one master branch and you might have the multiple branch here, and you can modify it, and later on you can make the decision if you want to merge it to the master branch or you want to keep it separate. It's up to you. So for this program, right, for this assignment here, first thing you need to have the GitHub account. I already have my GitHub account, so it's that go to GitHub base here. But that in case you don't, you need to sign up with your IV text email here. So when you log in, you can go with the home here, and you see right now I have some of the repository here, right? Yeah, this one and this one here, right? And for this program, for this assignment here, sorry, for the first assignment is very simple, right? You take a screenshot of a GitHub application display on your computer screen and save the screenshot in GitHub to practice utilizing as a storage platform. Right? So when you open your GitHub base here, right? And you can go to the snip tool, and you capture your screen, capture the screen here. You can save the file. GitHub. Or to make it more straightforward, you can go to the here, and you can create a new repository here, right? My project. Or you can put your name here, right? So you create it, and you see when you go to the home here, you have one more folder, one more repository here, right? Can capture the screen, save it somewhere. So you have file you stored in your local computer, right? And now if you want to upload it into the GitHub here, I think about I want to store in my repository here, right? I upload an existing file here. So you can put here, right? You can file first. With and you can choose the file. I start somewhere here. This one. Now I commit. Okay, so that is for you done for this one. Right? So see, you have one repository getting by the folder, and in that you have the file here. And later on, if you want to upload it, you do the same. I think about. Let me see if I have any other Python here. No, I don't have. But yeah, I think that's all. Bye bye.